Hi guys, this is Harmeet from Divine Healing. Divine Healing is the official page from where I work, as I do all my work on calls. And the number to contact me is 983 777 0092. Basically, I am a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a crystal therapist, and an angel therapist. And I give remedies through crystals, number cards, and symbol healings. And even I do pendulum and chakra healings, so and even Hopanova healings. So if you want any readings or healings or remedies to be taken, you can contact me through my page Divine Healing. I have a page Divine in the name of Divine Healing on Facebook, and also an Insta account in the name of Divine Healing, and I have a YouTube channel in the name of Divining. And recently, a year back, I have started my group in the name of Divine Blessings. It's a private group. All the links will be shared in the description box of the video. The description boxes, there is a triangle to the right hand side of the video. You need to just click that. All the descriptions and all the links related to my various social media accounts, and all the testimonies of my clients, and whatever workshops or readings I do, and even the pricing would be shared over there, so you can find it from there. And this is a video for the coming month of December, which is the last month of 2020. And I'll be taking out guidance for each zodiac for three areas of your life. It will be a financial, relationship, and health related readings. And I am recently even doing a 12-month reading for the year 2021. It would be a 37 card spread in which 37 cards would be read for you for each month, and all the areas related to your work, your relationship, and health would be covered in the spread or the reading I'll be doing. What is the benefit of getting an advanced reading or an advanced guidance or an advanced prediction? See, if you know something well in advance, so you can plan your things accordingly. If it's a good thing, you can change your plan so that whatever the guidance you give, any sort of obstacles which might be coming into your life, if you work out on them before, so it may be possible that you may be able to move out for that out of that. And if some good things are in store for you in the coming months of the year, so you can plan accordingly. So this is basically the most wonderful benefit of getting reading and at the year ahead of the year ahead. And I have posted about the reading. It is at a discounted price till 4th December. After that, it will be at its original price. So if you wish to get the readings done, and all the readings are done on calls after transferring the amount, it's 3,045 US dollars. You can pay me through debit or credit cards, or through bank transfers, through Paytm, and even through PayPal. All the details would be shared in the links of the video. So now let's take out the guidance, and this is according to your sun sign, the date of birth you are born. According to that, all the readings are done. So first reading is taken out for the sun sign of Aries, zodiac sign of Aries. Let's see what the month of December have for you, work and career wise, what it has for you for relationship wise, and what it has for you health wise. See, I feel for Aries, there would be some changes or some travel related to work, or maybe there might be even a change of place related to work, or even you can change the work you are doing in the month of December, and it's a good sign. Maybe initially you may face some difficulties, but after that you'll be able to overcome that difficulties and move ahead in your work. Related to relationship, I feel you might be a little laid back, and but even the guidance from the card is that don't keep on going back to your past or just worrying about what you have already lost, because there are some things still in your relationship that can be healed and you can move forward in life. And health related card, the card is not good for age. You may face some conditions, some medical issues also that would be beyond your maybe they'll come out एकदम वे मतलब they'll come out of the blue, or you may come into awareness with some health conditions that you were not aware, and that can lead to some medical issues in your life in the coming month of December. So the next guidance is for zodiac Taurus. Let's see what the month of December have for you for your finances or work area, for your relationship, and what is for your health. See, for finances, I feel at this point of time, Taurus, you need the people with zodiac sign of Taurus, you need to try to find out, or you need to find out a me time and try to analyze what needs to be done to increase or grow your work. Basically, you need to analyze the past, what mistakes you have made, so you can improve and make changes in your workplace, so that you can grow in your work, and even you can get a guidance from a person who is an expert or who has expertise in the work you are doing. As related to relationship, I think so there might be communication with people, okay, and the communications will be good, and you if you deal it with them with a positive attitude, or with a good gesture, maybe some good relationship you may make in your life, and if you have been there has been some misunderstanding or something, maybe there can be really reconciliation with your partner or whatever friend in the month of December. Whereas health is concerned, I think so. You are juggling too many things in your life, and that has emotionally stressed you, and that stress can lead to some basically emotional issues or little bit anxiety or stress. So just try to balance things in your life so that you can overcome that. The next guidance is for Gemini. Zodiac sign of Gemini. Let's see what the cards have to say for the month of December in the area of money and finances, in the area of relationship, and in the area of health. In the month of December, Gemini, I feel things would be good money wise, but the guidance is that you need to not to be very emotional while taking decision. Rather, you need to be little practical, and where it is desired or required to take decisions by a heart and not by logical reasons, you should go for that. And for relationship issues, I feel there can be some issues, or maybe the relationships or friendships you thought were good, and you thought to move forward with them in your life, that could not happen, or will not happen in the month of December. And because of some emotional burdens or emotional strain, health can there can be an issue related to some emotional health in the month of December. So be a little careful. Next guidance is for Cancerians. Let's see what the cards has to say for your money and finances or career, work, and what they have to say related to your relationship, and what they have to say related to your health. Cancerian, I don't feel the month of December will be good for you in the three areas of your life. related to work, something new which you might have wanted to start it may not be possible, or there may be delays in the month of December. And whereas relationships are concerned, you are very stressed out, and in fact at a verge of giving up, or you have already given up, because you're too burdened with your relationships in your life. And related to guidance related to health, as we can understand, there are issues in the career front or money front also, and there are issues related to health, relationship also. So this can give you mental stress in the month of December. The next guidance is for zodiac sign of Leo. Let's see what the cards have for you related to your career, money, and finances, your relationships, and your health. Uh, for Leos, I think so. You'll be not okay with starting something new, seeing the scenarios in the month of December, or maybe what you, or it can also be a guidance if you wanted to start something new, that won't be possible in the month of December. And related to relationships, there can be some issues in relationship also. Maybe the new beginnings, or new betterment of your relationship, or things around may not be possible in the month of December. And related to health also, there can be some health issues, or maybe somebody in your family may have some health problems that can even burden you, or that can even be the cause of stress for you in the month of December. Next guidance is for Virgos. Let's see what the guidance is for there related to career, finances, your relationship, and your health. I feel in the month of December, Virgos, you might be feeling that how much effort you put in any work, or any profession or any dealing, you don't get that much of results. But the guidance is that it is not the time to leave the situation or stop working on that. Maybe there are some delays, but your hard work will pay off. And related to relationship, I think so. In the month of December, you'll feel there is no support of your family. Basically, related to finances, maybe you might be getting help from your family members, or someone from your family in the past, but in the month of December, you won't be getting that help from your family members or close people. And related to health, as money is a issue for you in the month of December, so that money issue, or not getting support from financially from people around, will cause little stress and anxiety to you in the month of December. Let's see what the cards have to guide for the zodiac sign of Libra in the month of December. Libra, I don't see December a good month for you in related to the various areas of life I'm doing the readings. As related to work, there are so many options in front of you, and because of that, you may get confused and you may opt for the wrong option in the month of December. So be very careful while deciding anything related to your money, finances, or work. And related to love, maybe an offer which was given to you by someone, you did accept it, and now you may feel regret about it, that you why didn't you didn't accept the offer, because the person will just move ahead in life without you. And relating to health, because of all the uh, tensions or emotional or mental heaviness into your life, all this because of all the stress, you may go through some mental issues or mental stress in the month of December. Let's see what tarot cards have guidance for Scorpios for the month of December, for their work, finances and money and career, related to their relationships, and related to their health. I think so. In the month of December, finances may cause some issues, and because of your wrong decisions or investment into wrong things, you may block your money, or you may face some issues related to your money, and even the growth you want in your work, you may not achieve. And people related to jobs, you need to be very careful, because maybe at this point of time you don't need to change any job or anything, or there can be some issues related to your job in the month of December. For Scorpios, for love area, it's a good card. Maybe some people may get engaged, maybe some people may get married in the month of December, or maybe some offers related to marriage or engagement may come into your life, or maybe you may go to some marriage or engagements or some functions related to relationships in the month of December. Whereas your health is concerned, health will be overall very good, because you will receive all the emotional support you need from your close people and from your family members. So overall the health will be good for you for the month of in the month of December for Scorpios. Let's see what tarot cards have guidance for Sagittarius for the month of December. Guidance related to your finances, work, job, career, related to your relationships, and guidance related to your health. Um, for Sagittarius, I think so it will be a good month. Maybe you may enter into partnership, or there may be growth related to your work. If you are in a job, maybe you get promotion. So the month of December would be good, and as your work grows or you get promotion in your work, your finances will automatically be better in the month of December. Whereas your relationships are concerned, maybe there can be some issues or some misunderstandings in the month of December. Don't be in a rush, and don't be very possessive, or don't try to think that the thing should go according to you in relationships, because see, everybody has a free will, free will, so you can't force anything on anyone. And if you do that, there can be some strains in your relationship. Whereas health is concerned, health may have some issues because of the issues you might be going in with relation to your relationships, that may stress you, and whatever you might lose because of your short tempered or your very hasty nature, that will keep bothering you and in the month of December, and that will cause you mental stress. Let's see what is the guidance for Capricorns in the month of December. It's their birthday month also, related to work, finances and career, related to relationship, and related to health. I don't feel the month good for you in the for the month of December for Capricorns. Related to finance, Capricorns always believe on giving a part of their income or helping out people in the way they can. But I think so in the month of December you may not be able to do that. Maybe because of your personal financial issues or whatever. Maybe some situations may arise that may not allow you to give as you want to give. And related to relationship also, there can be issues. The teamwork you expect from the people around or your close people, or also even in professional field or in your personal circle, you won't be receiving that support in the month of December, and that will make you feel laid back. And whereas if your health is concerned, be little careful in the month of December. Maybe some health issues may come out, or you might be neglecting. You need to be careful about it, because if you won't be careful, it can lead to some health conditions to you in the month of December. Let's see what guidance tarot card has for Aquarius related to your finances, career and job, related to your relationship, and related to your health. A good month for Aquarians. There may be some issues related to work. Basically, you need to fight out to your situations related to work. Either you're in a business or in a job, you in a business you may face competition. In the job also, maybe you face competition from your colleagues or from your seniors. And related to relationship, it's a good card. Maybe somebody in your family get married, engaged, or even you may go to some ceremonial functions in the month of December. And whereas health is concerned, health will move ahead. And if you are facing, if you were facing some health issues, your health will improve. But if your health was good, maybe some issues may come in the month of December. So the guidance for the last zodiac, Pisces. Guidance related to their work, job and finances. Guidance related to their relationship, and guidance related to their health. Pisces, I feel again, even you are fighting with your situations related to money or work or job, and you need to do that also in the month of December. And whereas relationship are concerned, as you might be having financial issues, so that will have even effect on your relationships. They may get strained because of money constraint, or some because of issues related to money. And whereas health is concerned, maybe many might be facing health issues in the previous month. So in this month, they may recover from whatever health issues they were facing. So thank you guys. These were the readings for all 12 zodiacs, and if you want your reading for the coming year for 2020-21, it will be read the same way. For each month, I'll be doing readings with 3 cards regarding the 3 areas of your life: career, relationship, and health. Or maybe whatever area you wish to, I can phrase the spread. So if you want to get a reading done, you can contact me through my number 983770092, or even you can contact through my page on Facebook or Instagram. And if you like the video, share and like the video, and there is a bell icon, hit that bell icon, and because whenever I upload future videos, you will get notifications for that. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned for the next video.